Ever wondered how much water affects your weight loss journey? Well, hydration is a key player, and here's why. Water is a natural metabolism booster, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. It also acts as an appetite suppressant, curbing those unnecessary snack cravings. Plus, it aids in flushing out toxins from your body, supporting your overall detoxification process. So remember, start your day with a glass of water to kickstart your metabolism. Curious about how much water you should be drinking daily? It's a common question, and the answer isn't one size fits all. Your daily hydration needs depend on various factors, including your age, weight, and how active you are. But don't worry, there's a simple way to calculate how much water you should aim to drink. Here's a handy rule of thumb. Strive to drink at least half of your body weight in ounces of water each day. So, if you weigh 150 pounds, you should aim for at least 75 ounces of water. Remember, this is a baseline. If you're exercising or if it's a hot day, your body will need more. Aim to drink at least half of your body weight in ounces each day. Did you know that when you drink water can be as important as how much you drink? The timing of your water intake can significantly impact your weight loss efforts. Drinking water before meals is a fantastic strategy for controlling your appetite. This simple habit can help you feel fuller, which often results in smaller portions and fewer calories consumed. Plus, it keeps your body hydrated, ensuring all your systems function at their peak. Make it a habit to drink a glass of water 30 minutes before each meal. Bored of plain water? Let's spice things up a bit. You might be surprised by how a simple twist can transform your daily hydration routine. How about we add a burst of flavor and color to your water? It's time to unleash your creativity and experiment with infused water. Consider tossing in slices of your favorite citrus fruits like lemons, limes, or oranges. They not only add a refreshing zest to your water, but also provide a dose of vitamin C. For a cool, spa-like experience, try adding cucumber slices. They give a subtle, refreshing flavor that's incredibly soothing. And let's not forget about herbs. Mint leaves can add a surprising kick to your water, making each sip a flavorful delight. The beauty of infused water is that it's not just about making water more appealing, it's also about adding nutrients without the extra calories. So, go ahead and experiment with infused water. It's a refreshing and low-calorie alternative to sugary drinks. Hydration is a simple yet powerful tool in your weight loss toolbox. Remember to calculate your hydration needs, time your intake, and infuse flavor to make it enjoyable. Share your favorite infused water combinations in the comments. Stay hydrated, stay positive, and see you for day 5.